Good morning, dear friends. Today we'll study the poem, chapter 1, The Heart of the Tree. You see, the heart of the tree. I'm going to explain today only the first stanza. That is, the first stanza, what does the poet say about? Let us read now. What does he plant who plants a tree? He plants a tree of sun and sky. He plants the flag of breezes free, the shaft of beauty towering high. He plants a home to heaven high, for song and mother croon of bird, in hushed and happy twilight heard, and the treble of heaven harmony. These things he plants who plants a tree. This is the first stanza. According to him, the one who plants a tree plants a friend of sun and sky. The tree is suggested as a friend of sun and sky because one day it will grow tall and appear to reach in the sky. The tree is a friend of sun as the tree is dependent on sunlight to carry out the process of photosynthesis to form its food. Similarly, the tree is also a friend of sky. Why it is a friend of sky? It takes carbon dioxide from the air and releases oxygen in the air, thus that purifies the air. First it is said that it is a friend of sun, it is a friend of sky. This both we will have to see. It's a friend of sun. Why? It depends on sunlight in order to make its food through the process of photosynthesis. And it's also makes the friend of sky because it takes the carbon dioxide. It takes the carbon dioxide from the air and releases the oxygen in the air and purifies the air. And also the transpirations from trees is responsible to form the cloud in order to have the tender rain. We are getting the tender rain because of the tree. We are getting the food because of the tree. We are getting the most important things, that is oxygen, in order to respirate or inhale in our body, that is oxygen from tree. So all these things that tree is doing. And here also it is suggested that the transpiration that makes to bring the tender rain. And the tree is again compared to the flag of breeze. As the flag flutters and freely in the air, that's also the leaves of the tree also that flutters in the air, and not only flutters in the air freely, but in order to provide us cool soothing breeze to us. So that's why, like a flag flutters freely in the breeze, the leaves of the tree flutter and provide cool soothing breeze to human being, animals, birds, all sorts of things it does. The tree grows high with its long narrow stem and looks like a beautiful tower. It looks like a beautiful towers. The trees have made a home closer to heaven. The man plants the tree plants for the mother bird who sings to her younger ones happily with a soft and gentle voice in the twilight light. In the twilight, the bird's high-pitched tone adds to the pleasant harmony of the universe. So certain points I will tell in this stanza, you have to keep in mind. It makes the tree makes the friend to sun and the sky. It makes friend to sun because it depends on sunlight in order to make its food through the process of photosynthesis. Second point, we have to remember that the tree is a friend of sky because it takes the carbon dioxide from the air and it purifies the air. and trees transpiration forms the cloud in order to bring the tender rain. And third point is that it's also comparison, it's given that flag of breeze free. As the flag is fluttering freely in the air, the leaves of the tree also that flutters and brings the cool soothing breeze to all human beings and animals and birds. The fourth point is that the tree grows high and its stems go high and becomes so beautiful as a tower as it reaches to heaven. And the fifth point, the man plants the tree, it's for the mother croon to sing for its younger ones happily with a soft and gentle voice in the twilight. Sixth point, the bird's high-pitched tone that is added to this pleasant harmony of the universe. The song of the birds that makes the pleasant harmony to the universe. This is the first stanza that explanation I have given. Please read this first stanza of this poem, The Hat of a Tree, and you will come to know about this explanation. These 4 or 5 points you have to remember, that's all, nothing else. So, if you like this explanation, this teaching, please put the button of like it, and subscribe it, share it to your friends, those who are not getting this one, so that will be helpful for them. So when you subscribe it, you will get a new notification from new video. Immediately it will reach to you. So thank you very much. Next video will be the second stanza of the explanation that I will bring for you. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.